Hello guys, welcome to the next tutorial of Angular on this YouTube channel, Jack of JavaScript. So in this tutorial, we are going to see what are the different attribute directives which are used in Angular. So one of them are ngClass and ngStyle. So let's start from the program. So this is the actual view that we have. Now we have to add a class to this div, right? So you can directly add some class using this class attribute, and we have already defined a class that is abc, right? So you can check that the class is applied. But if you want to add it dynamically, so Angular has come up with a ngClass attribute, and instead of this you can define it to some other variable. So you can directly add it as a mm, add it as a property, and for this class you can have a variable. Let's say the class 1 is the name of that variable. If this class 1 is true, then this class will be applied to this div, right? So as to apply this, you have to first define into your class, right? So this is class 1, and by default we can make it as true. I'll save it. uh, it should be within curly braces, right? So it is applied. So this class is applied if this flag is true, right? We can make it as toggle. So we can toggle it using this toggle function, right? So this dot class 1, if the value is true, then it becomes false, and if it is false, then it becomes true, right? So likewise, you can directly put a button, and on the click of this button you can call the same function. Okay, see, so you can change the flag and the class will be applied and removed dynamically. Also, we have another attribute directive, and that is ngStyle. This can also be added as a property, and it is within curly braces. Let's say we have font size, and this font size belongs to some variable. Let's say the variable name is size, and we have to define that same variable with some value. Let's say 16 pixel, and once I click on this toggle button, it will change it. The size will become 32 pixel. Okay, so initially it is of 16 pixel, and once we click on this button, it again becomes of 32, right? So dynamically this font size is changed depending upon the value of this variable, right? So likewise, you can check the ngStyle and ng class how it gets applied to your application. All right, so if you have any doubts, you can put it into the comment section. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep learning.